Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will take you through this trade, which is ZEC token, the same trade I explained around few days back, like this one, and I gave you a clean target that when to enter, when to exit, and when to make profit. So if you took the trade, of course, you are now profitable. Now this is a follow-up video of this trade, and again, if you missed it, well, this is the time you can get back again and start making money shorting Zcash because I strongly believe it has a potential to go as low as 300 minimum. And of course the market doesn't look pretty nice for privacy coin at the moment. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about ZTC token and see when to enter, when to exit, and how much money can be made from it. So again, let's dive in. Now again, this is the chart. You can see hourly, 4 hour, and 5 minute time frame. So in my last video, I told you on the daily chart, which is right over here, if you want to short this token, the best point to short is at around $450, which is right over here, which is just above these lines, which is your, let me draw it, 50 MA, the red line, and this blue line, the 20 MA, right over here. And that is what exactly happened. The token after a dump again tried to retrace back to this level. So I shorted it and the $450 zone. And you can see here on the lower time frame, which is 5 minute chart, I placed a short trade here, and then it started moving, and it actually always moved in my direction, was quite slow. And then you can see here directly this morning it hit my short term target, which is like $390 right over here, then going down. Now the thing is that if you look at the daily chart, like I explained in my recent video, it can actually dump, because if you zoom out on the weekly chart, you can see here a clear pattern of it touching $300, and the pattern goes something like this: lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and maybe then we go up. That can happen. That is a possibility. But for now, if you look closely, we are going to touch this white line, which is close to nearly $300. The only now key resistance that we have is this 20 MA line, which is again the blue line, and then this fib retracement in which the token has arrived. So if you're planning to enter just now, I think you should not enter immediately. If you want to enter, well, then go to the lower time frame, which is like your 4 hour, 1 hour chart to plan your entry, and you can use pivot lines to, of course, plan your entry on the minutes time frame. So let me just zoom out here and show you what is going on with the hourly chart, which is a good place to start if you want to place entry, the short entry. Right now it looks like bearish to me, but on the 1 hour time frame, I believe it can actually pull back up from here, which means it can pull back to this value to touch the 50 MA, which is right over here. Now, to make it more precise, to make the entry more precise, if you want to short it with a high reward risk ratio, I need to go to the, this time, which is 5 minute time frame, and look at the pivot lines. By the way, you can check out my course on trading masterclass by clicking the link above to learn about trading if you don't know it. Else, you can also be part of my platinum group where I explain the setups. And of course, if you have any question, I do personal mentorship. This one is on Twitter, and it is kind of a paid one. And then we have two one. One is this public one. The link is shared below. You can join it here to know about the updates. And this is gold one, which is again the better one. So again, if you want to learn trading, I think go check out my trading lessons, the masterclass lesson to get started. Then if you're serious about it, go with the platinum and you can join it right away. So we have here, we have to go down here to check it. If it retraces back, how high it can go. If we see the main pivot line is at around this level, which is $425 here, and if I just zoom into this line to the hourly time frame, this actually makes sense. That means there's a possibility of this token to pull back to value maybe around $425 or lower before making a downward momentum, which is like going down. So this is a possibility that can be taken into account if you want to short the token. But for now, you should wait for the pullback. If you don't wait it, you won't get a good entry. If it goes directly straight down, well, that's okay. If you miss the trade, that is fine. There's many more trades to come. But again, plan your entry carefully if you want to make good profit or book good profit in a short and long term. So what I say here, what I see here in this time frame is that overall on the higher time frame, the Zcash look very bearish. Of course, It can pull back also, but I think the road to $300 is quite visible, quite possible, because when it dumps straight away. And again, it has the potential to go down to even below $300 also, touching this 50 EMA support line, which is right over here at around just over $200. That is a possibility, but on the safer side we can take a target of $300. Let's go to daily, and you can see here a clear setup. What I think, it will pull back from here to at least to this level, which is your $400. That is a plan, that is a time you can take a shot, and from $400 you have to have a stop loss at around $430, and of course profit target of $300. So that is the kind of setup you can take. Wait for the deceleration to see if the token is actually slowing down when it's trying to move up. Like this one, you can see here, this was a clear sign of deceleration. It pulled back up slowly and steadily. Let me zoom in here in the 4-hour chart. Then it stagnated here. If you see on the lower time frame, then it fell down straight. Same thing happened last day also, like here. One high test, then direct crash. So it's pulling back to value, let it pull back to value, and then plan your trade. So that is the setup I'm going to take. I'm going to wait for now. I'm going to wait for this token to touch 50 MA or maybe near it. It will come down to nearly $400 with time by evening, I think. And then we can plan a next entry. Like from here, we enter, and then it will go down to, let's say, $300. That can be a good target for the weekend or for the next week. So this is about Zcash trade. If you want to learn more about trading, do subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and make sure to join my free Telegram community. The link is shared below. And if you're serious about trading or want to learn trading fast in an intense environment, then you can join Platinum, which is a paid membership of $25 per month. So that's about it. So with that, I complete my video. Do subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video and find new setup new week. Make sure to subscribe, and I will share more updates on new trades pretty soon. Thank you.